Hi, third graders. My name is Catherine, and today we're going to be doing a lesson where our objective is to investigate the food, clothing, and homes of different regions in Peru through photo analysis. Let's get started. Does anyone know what this animal is called? Where do you think it lives? What interesting details do you notice about this photograph? Well, let's carefully look at the picture and answer the questions together. So, what do you see? Hmm. Well, I see a small animal with big whiskers that look like a mustache. It has brown fur and some white fur. It has two tiny ears, and the animal is sitting on a tree branch. I don't actually know what that animal is called, but luckily there is a caption that explains um, this photograph with a description. The caption helps readers get more information about a photograph and can help them understand it. This is the photograph itself, and a photograph is a picture taken with a camera. I'm going to read the caption out loud to you. Emperor tamarins are monkeys that live in South and Central America. They eat a diet of fruit, insects, and tree saps. Interesting information. That might have been helpful to tell me what this animal is called or where I thought it lives. What information in the caption helps us answer our questions from the prior slide about the animal in the photograph? Well, the caption tells what this animal is called and where it lives. It also gives us a description of the monkey's diet, which is an interesting detail that we did not know before. I mean, just from looking at the photograph, I'm not sure what it eats, but now, thanks to the caption, I do know all about its diet. Today, you're going to consult online articles and websites about Peru to better analyze photos of Peruvian culture. After examining Peruvian culture, their food, clothing, and homes, you'll write captions for the photographs depicting the various aspects of life in Peru. And just like the caption for the tamarin monkey helped us better understand the photograph, your captions will help your reader better understand what they're looking at. So this is going to take us 2 days. And for today, you're going to study each picture that depicts Peruvian homes on the following slides. You're also going to research online articles and websites to better understand homes in Peru. Then you're going to write a caption for the images on the slides that gives additional details or explains the photograph, just like we learned when we looked at the definition of caption. You're going to write your responses directly on the slides. So here are articles and websites on Peru. And if you click any of these links, it'll take you to the article. I'm going to give you an example. So I looked at this picture in Cusco, Peru, and I wanted to find out more information. So I clicked on the link from the National Geographic website. And here's what I found. This part talks about the history of Peru. It says Peru is a very old country. The earliest inhabitants arrived there around 15,000 years ago. Societies emerged on the west coast more than 5,000 years ago and began to spread inland. These include the Chavin, the Moche, and the Nazca. One of the most important Peruvian cultures was the Inca, who lived in Peru around 600 years ago. Their capital, Cusco, is still a major city today. The Inca also built Machu Picchu, a famous and mysterious ancient city in the Andes. They thrived for centuries before being conquered by the Spanish in 1532. There was one important fact that I read that connects back to this image that I think I might want to use in the caption. It was that this is one of the most important Peruvian cultures, Cusco, in the capital, that's still a major city today. That's where this picture is taking place. So I think I'm going to include that information in my caption. Here's what I'll write. These are homes in Cusco. Cusco is a major city in Peru. One of Peru's earliest societies was the Inca, about 6,000 years ago. Cusco was their capital. Did you see how I took the information from the article that I read and added it to add some more information in my caption that you might not have gotten just by looking at the photograph? Well, you're going to look at several other images, just like I said before, and you're going to create your own captions. They could describe what's happening in the image or add additional details. When you're all done, submit your responses from the independent work. And tomorrow, for day 2, we're going to look at some more images. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.